Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word internal. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company is focused on improving internal processes to increase efficiency and productivity. In this context, internal refers to the processes or operations within the company itself, rather than involving external factors or parties. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.